next to the TV. Wow.
Now see if she'll start running when you get her. Here, get her. She's planning her next move.
What? There. She's running. Wow. There you are. Why is the cat up there? Cat on TV.
It's pouring down rain. Yeah, you're probably gonna have to wear your heavier coat, Shane.
Gee.
This one.
Miss South will be like, why did you people come to school? The cat has been running. Come on, cat. Here, kitty, kitty. Oh, jeez. Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty.
I think August must have had to take the dog to the vet or something.
Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty. That doesn't work. If you want to see the time, that's the time. She's running when she's not even scared. Oh, I just realized her paw was white. Cat is licking yourself. Oops, I pressed the wrong button. That's releasing. Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty. She's looking at the bright light in the morning. Let's go check light bulb. Everything is lit up. How's this cat gonna run? It's already been 4 minutes. I know some fingers. Guess that's the color of my hand. I think the cat is looking at me. Here, get it. Look at his eyes. He's just so nervous. She's running all over the place to lick herself. The cat has been acting strange. She's eating. 6 minutes has passed and this. Okay, I want to capture her running. And there she eats. It's lining up for food. I'm gonna capture this cat running. Fine, I'll show you something. Pointy, pointy. To me and Nicholas. Now I'm the floor. This is fast.